Hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself, and we have a Facebook group site, and I have the link right there and below in the description box. Our challenge for the month of February is to use Story by Stacy Story Deck, sold by Close to My Heart. The concept behind this deck of cards is to give you jumping off points to scrapbook those memories in a fun, creative way. The ready cards have specific story topics for you to choose from. The set card has specific memories, designs, photos, or words to choose from. The Go cards, again, is technique, product, or color, and then you have the bonus card. On our website are these 4 cards that we chose from the story deck that you may use, or you can come up with your own. This is layout number 2, or page kit number 2. And for this layout, I chose from the friendship inside joke. The acronym was going to be for your information or just kidding. I also selected stitching and interactive shaker. So I have 2 star shakers. I have this photograph of my little guy and 2 scrap papers from the Cocoa Vanilla, a sticker sheet, and 12 by 12 pattern paper from the Legendary collection from Cocoa Vanilla. All right, of course, I'm going to trim off my branding strip. I'm going to bring in the scrap papers, this orange pattern paper from Cocoa Vanilla. All the papers are from Cocoa Vanilla. I decide I'm going to do the tearing technique. And the orange pattern paper is going to be my base layer or my matte layer for my photograph. I do map the photograph in black cardstock from Close to My Heart, a pencil thin border. Then you're going to see me bring in this diagonal stripe paper here from Cocoa Vanilla. I thought I would use that side, but I end up flipping it over and using the yellow pattern paper on the opposite side. And then the next paper is a tone-on-tone navy blue pattern paper with dots. After I finish tearing my papers, I bring in 3 colors of Dana Wakley medium gloss spray. And I don't have them out. Let me reach for them. The first one is the yellow one, which is called Lemon. The next one is Lime. And the next color is actually Heidi Swapp Color Shine Cherry Sweet. I will remove my photograph and my torn paper and do splatters. And I start out with the lemon. Then I move, I think, to the cherry, sweet cherry and lime. And I just sprinkle that going straight down the middle of my foundation layer and kind of overlapping the 3 colors. Then I will bring back my photograph and put it right in my foundation layer under my photograph, right where you saw it previously. Same with the 2 other scrap papers. They're going to go right under the photograph, just like I showed you. And then I'm going to bring in my alphas, and the yellow paper will have the word Robotics. The one behind it, the acronym that I chose between the 2 that I wasn't sure, was FYI. And I'll just give a little bit of history regarding the photograph. This was from 4 years ago. They were at a state competition, and my little guy, which is the one over to the right with his elbow up, and his best friend to the left. And this is their new handshake. Yes, that's what this was all about. And of course, everyone's like just staring at them because, like, are they sharing the smell of their deodorant? What's going on here? But anyway, that was their new little handshake. All right. So after I finish putting my title and everything down, you see that I have created my shaker card over to the right-hand side and added sequence of orange, green, that lime color, a blue, and a red. And I placed it inside. Now, I'm just going to tell you, it's a spoiler alert, I do place that star over to the right of my title in the lower right-hand corner, but in the end, it was just bugging me. Even though the background pattern paper, the base of it is white, and it has all those beautiful primary bright colors of yellow, orange, and blue, it was just bugging me. So off camera, I took my tri-blend in ice gray shades and I slowly went over the top of that star, because that star has, that acetate piece to keep your sequence in. And you will see the difference in my close-ups at the end of this video. So don't stop. Keep watching it till the end and you'll see that it made a world of difference. I mean, the white was fine. Now back to my layout. So I'm creating a stackable title, and at the very top there'll be a clear sticker that you'll see in a minute that will say "So," and underneath it will say "Amazing," and then I have that die cut piece that says "Original plus the best." I put some vinyl sticker stars over to the right next to my shaker. Now to the left, I'm creating this cluster over there. That moon does not stay. We have an arrow. I'll bring in a sticker sheet of a bear walking over towards the photograph. Then I layer 2 stickers underneath that arrow. There'll be a circle. You see right now a square one that says "Let's go." Then I have this flag banner that says "Rad." And then under my title where it says FYI, I bring in this die cut piece and I cut it out. I only want the white with the blue printed lettering, and it says "Stay weird, stay wonderful." And my layout will be complete. Be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel and see what they created using the Story by Stacy deck of cards. Give them a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up, and keep coming back every Monday. Go to our Facebook group site. Again, I will have the link listed below. And here are the close-ups. Get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supplies, document those memories in a fun, creative way, and we'll see you next time. Now, here's that close-up. See the difference in the star? I just love, love, love that much better. I think also because those clear sticker stars are kind of a bluish gray color as well, and that whole little cluster corner now blends together. All right, again, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to my channel so that we are inspiring people that you and I may not know that is looking for inspiration. We'll see you next time. Bye.